Hi friends, in this video we shall learn about a salt, sodium bicarbonate, from the lesson Acid, Bases and Salts. What is sodium bicarbonate? Sodium bicarbonate is commonly known as baking soda or bicarbonate of soda. Is a chemical compound with the formula NaHCO3. It is a salt composed of sodium cation and a bicarbonate anion. Sodium bicarbonate is a white solid that is crystalline but often appears as a fine powder. Now we shall see what are the properties of sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate has a white crystalline appearance, children. It has a white crystalline appearance. This compound is insoluble in ethanol and slightly soluble in methanol and acetone. Sodium bicarbonate crystallizes in a monoclinic crystal lattice. Sodium bicarbonate is a white solid compound. It is found crystalline and powdered form. It is commercially known as baking soda because it is a main component of baking soda. It decomposes on heating, children. Sodium bicarbonate decomposes on heating. For example, if you can take sodium bicarbonate NaHCO3. On heating, it decomposes into sodium carbonate plus water plus carbon dioxide. You all understood, children? It decomposes on heating. Sodium bicarbonate decomposes to sodium carbonate, water and carbon dioxide. Now we shall see how is the sodium bicarbonate prepared, children. Sodium bicarbonate is mainly produced by the Solvay process. Solvay process is sodium chloride, ammonia and carbon dioxide reaction in water. Okay, children. Sodium bicarbonate can be prepared by carbon dioxide reacts with the sodium hydroxide aqueous solution. This reaction initially produces sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate Na2CO3 plus carbon dioxide plus water will give rise to sodium bicarbonate. You all understood, children? So sodium bicarbonate, carbon dioxide and water will give rise to sodium bicarbonate. And actually the raw materials required here is sodium chloride. What are the raw materials here required is sodium chloride, that is brine solution, children, NaCl plus water plus carbon dioxide plus ammonia. These are the raw materials, children. These, when they are mixed, then we get sodium bicarbonate along with ammonium chloride. So here sodium bicarbonate is produced. Even when you take the mixture of brine solution, sodium chloride, carbon dioxide and ammonia, sodium carbonate is produced. This sodium carbonate further reacts with carbon dioxide and water to form sodium bicarbonate. Now we shall see what are the uses of sodium bicarbonate, children. Basically, sodium bicarbonate is used in cooking, children, primarily used as a leavening agent in baking, sometimes used for green vegetables to give them a bright green color. You all understood, children? Then it is used as a baking powder for cooking. Baking powder contains a high level of composition of nicolite. Pest control. It is used in pest control. It can be used to kill insects like cockroaches and can be used to control fungal growth, children. And then it is used for paint and corrosion removal. It is used in a process called as soda blasting to remove corrosion. It is used as personal hygiene, children. Much toothpaste contains sodium bicarbonate, giving better whitening and plaque removal than the toothpaste not having it. It is also used as mouthwash, also used as the buffering agent. It is used in medical purpose to treat heartburn and acid indigestion along with water used for treatment in case of overdose of aspirin. Can be used to get relieved from some insects' bites and stings. Sodium bicarbonate can be used to get relieved from some plant's allergy. It is also used to remove splinters from the skin. It is used in sports as the supplement for athletes in speed-based events, children. And what are the other uses of this sodium bicarbonate? It is used as a cleaning agent for alkalinity and also used as a cattle food supplement, also used in fire extinguisher and for neutralization of acid and bases. You all understood, children? Now we shall see what are the differences between sodium carbonate and sodium bicarbonate, children. Already you have learnt about sodium carbonate. Now in this video you are going to learn about sodium bicarbonate and we shall see what are the difference between sodium carbonate and sodium bicarbonate. Sodium carbonate is often referred to as soda wash or washing soda, whereas sodium bicarbonate is popularly known as baking soda, children. Sodium carbonate is washing soda, sodium bicarbonate is baking soda. Sodium carbonate comes with the chemical formula Na2CO3, whereas sodium bicarbonate NaHCO3. Then sodium carbonate is made up of sodium and acid. Sodium bicarbonate comes with sodium, acid and hydrogen, children. And sodium carbonate is commonly used in neutralizing acidic solution in various fields, whereas sodium bicarbonate is used as a odor neutralizer, cleaning or exfoliating agent and sometimes as a temporary fire extinguisher. Clear, children? And sodium carbonate is used for body processes or reaction, whereas sodium bicarbonate is found in our body and is an important element. It helps to regulate and neutralize high acidity levels in blood. Clear, children? I hope you have understood about this salt, sodium bicarbonate. In the next video we shall discuss about one more salt. Thank you.